if you're in an early stage space, then the thinking style is abstract and kind of very ideas and theory driven way, versus in a mature space, much more ear mode, much more focused on like the problem that's right in front of you. The skills that are the most valued, pure math and sciences, engineering. And these are, like both of these are valued across the spectrum, but the emphasis is greater on pure math and sciences and engineering on the early stage side, and on the mature side, get the key experiences. And I think one of the sadder things, and this is just something that I think you need to be prepared for, which is that like cooperativeness, I think, is higher in early stage spaces and lower in mature spaces, right? Basically, when you're still in kumbaya mode, like good, enjoy it. Kumbaya mode is good, right? And you have people sharing all of their different ideas, and it just like feels like a really nice and beautiful intellectual salon. Eventually, people stop doing that, and a lot of people start basically trying to like hoard ideas for themselves because that's what the VCs tell you they have to do if you want to have a valuation to invest in, right? I actually don't think that's true, and I actually think it is possible to still make a lot of money while being open. And actually, within the Ethereum space itself, there's a lot of examples of that. But the mentalities do definitely like start shifting toward the less cooperative side, and I think it's like very good to fight against that, but like some of that will happen. So I think what's interesting about crypto is that it is an early stage space and a mature space at the same time. The distinction between like idealistic crypto and money crypto, right?